Hello, Frank Fossey here. I have this old flight planning program that I used to use with FSX to do flight plans, but I'm going to use it to create a flight plan for flight using GMap. So I've already created the flight plan. I'm just going to load it up right now, get it on the screen. So it's up in Alaska, so I can click on the first, the departure point in the list, and that'll take me up to Alaska. And you can see the course there on the map. I can zoom in a bit and draw a box around that to make it fill up more of the screen. Then I can actually click on each of the waypoints and center each one on the screen, kind of step through them, click on the last one. Then what I'll do is zoom out one more time and then draw another box around it to kind of make it look a little bit larger on the screen. Now for this I'm only going to use the first leg of this flight plan because that's enough to kind of show how this flight planning software will work with GMap and flight. And so I'm going to save it again. I'm also going to print the plan so that I have a hard copy of all the waypoints and the headings that I'll need when I'm doing the flying. So I've done that. I have that hard copy with me right now, so that we're going to move on to the actual flying. So I'll close this program, get my list of waypoints and headings ready, and here we go to do the actual flying. Okay, I have GMap connected, and I'm over Paxson, and for my first waypoint, before I start doing that though, I'm going to load up my flight plan here, which is this one. So it'll show that on the screen here. And I think I'll go for the sectional. There we go. Now I'm going to turn to my first heading, which is 111 degrees. So first I'll note my current heading. Okay. Get the engine sound back. I'm a little bit to the left of my course. I'm going to turn to probably like 125 or so, just so I can get back on my course line quicker. Take a look around. Okay. So we're sort of on course. I'm going to zoom in a little in GMap, just so we can get a better idea of some of these terrain features that we want to follow. So I'm just going to get on course here. And once I'm on the line, I can begin to turn back to the proper course, which should be 111. And if I look, I'm supposed to go to a little bit to the left of those rivers, the Gakona River, which is up ahead. I can use that as a visual guide here. Aim to the left of the waterways up ahead. That should keep me on the course. Should be a lake down there that I just, yeah, there it is. You see the same lake over here on GMap. Stay a little bit to the left of the waterways, and that'll keep me on the course that I want. See on GMap, right around here, I kind of intersect the river. So up ahead, I can see that that's right there, and that's where I want to aim for, right there. Matches the intersect point on the map. Just kind of get my speed up here. Still on course. Turn intersections on just for the heck of it. Try a different chart just to see what the other one looks like. This is the Alaska WAC. Zoom in a bit. And it goes to kind of a green. Well, that's kind of handy because you can see the river is to my right, which there it is. That works pretty well. I think I'll go back to the sectional. And zoom in a bit. Still on course. If I'm going to look ahead, there should be a lake a few miles ahead that I'm going to want to go right over. I'm heading for that loop in the river right ahead of me, right here, which matches this point in GMap. So I'm right on course. Bit of rain or snow or sleet or something. Now a little further ahead, I should be going right over a lake. Doesn't show the name of the lake. There's like dozens of lakes on this map. But if I'm doing the correct course, I'll fly right over. It's right here. It should be right up ahead. There's that lake. There it is on the map. So GMap is actually on my second monitor. There's another widescreen monitor to the left of my main one, which is the flying screen. And for the video, I just added it to the top of the flying screen as an overlay, and that's how I did this. So that's it. Thanks for watching.